I'm a fashion design student, so I have to make many clothes and pieces of them. Today, I will show you how to make a binding, an important part of clothes. There are many steps to make a binding. First of all, we need to place the garment wrong side up. Secondly, we need to place the right side of the bias strip on the wrong side of garment and match both the edge. Thirdly, we have to stick with a quarter-inch seam allowance. In the next step, we start folding the bias strip over a quarter-inch and pressing down. After that, we need to fold bias binding over wrong side of garment covering the first stitch line. Lastly, stick along the edge of binding and check it out to complete the binding. Bye.